Yeah, we gotta check every once in a while and see if it's still rolling. There it goes. Didn't even bolt it on. Airbox. There it is. Oh. Yeah, I know. As soon as you open that, right away it shoots out.
Yeah, that shot out.
Said, feel free to use this rag gloves. Okay, here comes the chain. Here's the chain. Here's radiator 2. There's the CDI. There's the other part of it. There we go.
We'll take it your way, I guess?
Yeah, no, wait. Kicker. Let's get it. Let's just get down on the water pumps.
Look at that.
There. There we go. There, it's free.
Nice. There for now.
This one come out. Oh, never mind, you got it. Pretty much. There's the motor.
There we go.
I'll close the shop. Close the shop. That's it. Go for it. This is a very inconvenient pressure test, or compression test, just because we didn't do a compression test before. As you can see, it's pretty low.
Pretty much just over 120.
Yeah, it should be right around 180, maybe a little past. So, yeah, actually there's the wrong size piston in here in the first place, so that's not going to help a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it runs good, it has a lot of power, but it would have even more power if we would get a better piston. And we're also planning to shave the head, the cylinder head, so that's going to give it a lot more compression and power.
So there's 2 holes in the side of this piston. I'm told that that's to increase horsepower. So there's a good chance that when I rebuild my engine, I'm probably gonna put holes in there. So there is no up and down play in this crankshaft, so we're good. There we go. It's off. Draining the oil would have been a lot easier still on the bike. There we go, finally. It's basically done draining. Now it just comes right off. There we go. There we go, got all the springs out. There we go.
Yeah, keep it down. There we go. Keep it down.
Finally. Got that on so tight. There you go. Wow.
There's this idler gear.
The whole oh.
That's a simple Loctite on here. I'll take this out first. I don't think it's a big deal. So
there you go.
okay.
Nice. I'll do this so that the gears don't spill out, hopefully.
Oh, that
Oh,
was
nice.
simple.
They came out on the same side.
Push this one out. There we go. There's the crank. Oh. This is a whole 252 stroke motor. Teardown.
We hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be hopefully a video about this build, hopefully every week, at the least maybe every other week. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any other videos that we're gonna do about this CR250 build.
And even after this build, we're planning to do some really good content, filming some really good stuff. Maybe a few months to a year, maybe a CR500 might be coming to this channel, so stay tuned for that. We'll probably do a build on that eventually, but I don't know, we don't have money for that right now. Go support us on Patreon. I'm just joking, we don't have a Patreon page.